Hebrew future have. I will have.
יהיה לי.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll laugh, drill, and nail Hebrew future possession. How to say things like, I will have, and we will have. Buckle up for tiny wins and big smiles. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every key future form naturally. Let's pin them down fast. I will have.
יהיה לי.
You, SG, will have.
יהיה לך.
He will have.
יהיה לו.
She will have.
יהיה לה.
It will have.
יהיה לו.
We will have.
יהיה לנו.
You, plural, will have.
יהיה לכם.
They will have.
יהיה להם.
Tiny pronunciation tip. Say it like a smooth 3-beat, ye hi ye. You've got this. The core future will be, is.
יהיה.
Add, to me, you, him, and you get the magic. Smile while saying it, your mouth remembers better. Mini dialogue, tomorrow magic. Listen in and repeat after the beep. You're the star of this scene. A. Do you think you'll have time tomorrow? B. Yes.
יהיה לי.
Time to help. A. And your friend? B. He's fine.
יהיה לו.
A free afternoon. A. What about Maya? B. Don't worry.
יהיה לה.
The tickets. A. Our project, any hope? B. Sure.
יהיה לנו.
A solution by noon. Rapid fire drills. Hear the cue, think it, then say it out loud. Beat the pause. Say, I will have.
יהיה לי.
Say, you, SG, will have.
יהיה לך.
Say, he will have.
יהיה לו.
Say, she will have.
יהיה לה.
Say, it will have, the device.
יהיה לו.
Say, we will have.
יהיה לנו.
Say, you, plural, will have.
יהיה לכם.
Say, they will have.
יהיה להם.
Culture tip. How Hebrew has. Quick brain upgrade. Hebrew doesn't use a straight to have verb. Instead, it says, there will be to X. Example, we will have time equals.
יהיה לנו זמן.
Literally, there will be to us time. Once you feel this pattern, everything clicks. Comedy coffee break. A tiny joke to lock it in. Repeat the punchline. My calendar asked if I wanted more free time. I clicked, yes, please. It replied, cool, tomorrow.
יהיה לך.
A life. Same, calendar. Same. Dialogues. Team planning. Now a group chat. Echo the Hebrew line each time. Manager. By Friday, you, plural, will have tickets.
יהיה לכם כרטיסים.
Engineer. After the update, it will have more memory.
יהיה לו יותר זיכרון.
Coach. Don't worry, they will have time to practice.
יהיה להם זמן.
Friend. Tomorrow we will have pizza.
יהיה לנו פיצה.
Quiz time. Answer fast, then I reveal the key. Q1. Translate, by morning, I will have energy. A.
עד הבוקר יהיה לי אנרגיה.
Q2. You, plural, will have a table, say it. A.
יהיה לכם שולחן.
Q3. He will have a car. Go. A.
יהיה לו רכב.
Q4. They will have an advantage. Your turn. A.
יהיה להם יתרון.
Challenge. Your life, your lines. Create 3 future facts about you. Keep them punchy. 1. Tomorrow, I will have. Start.
מחר יהיה לי.
2. Next week, we will have. Start.
בשבוע הבא יהיה לנו.
3. By evening, she will have. Start.
עד הערב יהיה לה.
Wrap up and high five. Sweet work. Quick recap and next steps. You mastered the core pattern with all persons.
יהיה לי, יהיה לך, יהיה לו, יהיה לה, יהיה לו.
It.
יהיה לנו, יהיה לכם, יהיה להם.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a minute a day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons, downloads, and laughs. See you next episode.